Hello students, good morning. In this video we are going to see the differences between atoms and molecules. It's very easy because you all know about what is atom and what is molecule. Can you tell me what is atom? Yes, an atom will not have any chemical bonds, whereas molecules will have chemical bonds. When atoms are connected through chemical bonds, molecules will be formed. Okay, so here I have given you a picture. The picture shows atom, molecule and compound. Example for atom, I have taken the helium atom. It is a noble gas, we know, and the noble gases are generally inert. Since they have completely filled electronic configuration, they are generally inert, so that they won't have any chemical bonds. If we look at hydrogen molecule, the two hydrogen atoms are connected through a covalent bond. So atom is a non-bonded one, whereas molecule is a bonded. Non-bonded in the sense it will never have a chemical bond, whereas bonded in the sense the atoms will be connected through covalent bonds. Is it clear? Then compound. Compounds in the sense two or more atoms are combined through chemical bonds in a fixed ratio. That is compound. Because about compound and mixtures you had one lesson in 9th standard. Okay, so this is a picture showing what is atom, what is molecule and what is compound. Then let us move into the differences. We are going to list out the differences between atoms and molecules. The first difference is an atom is the smallest particle of an element. Students, if we take copper element, copper we know because in household we have been using copper in various places, so we know copper. So the copper element is made up of what atoms? Yes, very good. It's made up of only copper atoms. So that is the first point we are writing. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. Whatever an element it may be, the ultimate, the smallest particle is atom. Then molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. This is also same. Even if it is an element or a compound, what will be the smallest part? The molecule will be the smallest part. Okay. Then second difference. Atom does not exist in free state except in noble gas. We know that noble gases are less reactive, no? So they will be in the free state. Free state, no? They won't have any chemical bonds. Whereas the remaining atoms, in this example itself, the hydrogen never exists as H. It always will be existing as H2. This also we have seen in the previous video. Atomicity. The atomicity of hydrogen is 2. So it is a diatomic molecule. So that point we are connecting here. An atom does not exist in free state except noble gases. Only noble gases will be in free state since they are less reactive. The remaining atoms does not exist in free state since they are highly reactive. Whereas in the case of molecule, they exist in free state. If we look at the hydrogen molecule, there will be no connectivity between one hydrogen and another hydrogen molecule. So we can say molecule exists in a free state. And next one, this is connected with the second point only. Except some of the noble gases, other atoms are highly reactive. Okay, because of the reactivity only, they never exist as free state. The same point is repeated. Except some of the noble gases, the remaining atoms are highly reactive, whereas in the case of molecules, the molecules are less reactive. Is it clear? Okay, then third point, atoms does not have a chemical bond. Again come to the same picture. If you look at the helium atom, is there any chemical bond here? No. So we can say atoms does not have a chemical bond, whereas in the case of molecule, what is chemical bond? The attractive force which holds the two atoms together is called as a chemical bond. In the case of hydrogen molecule, what is there? There is a chemical bond between one hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom. So we can say atoms does not have a chemical bond, whereas molecules and the atoms in the molecules are held by chemical bonds. Is it clear, students? So these are the four differences we have in our syllabus, the differences between atoms and molecules. Shall we say one more time? What is atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. Then second point, atom does not exist in free state except noble gases. In the case of molecules, they exist in free state. Then the third point is except some of the noble gases, other atoms are highly reactive, whereas the molecules are generally less reactive. Then the last point is an atom does not have a chemical bond. It is a non-bonded entity, whereas the atoms in the molecules are held together by chemical bonds. So these are the differences, students. Go through this video. It's very important question and get clarified with all the ideas. Thank you.